Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Pretzel Walkaround Swizzle Basket. Yeah, it's a lot of words. The only prerequisite for this is that you've already done a Pretzel Walkaround Swizzle, so it's basically a Pretzel Walkaround Swizzle with a basket exit, which is a nice way out. It's a nice way out of that particular move. So, assuming you're ready for that, let's go for it. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Because it's a walk around, obviously the walks could change the length of the move with ease, so any particular timing could be altered quite a lot. So let's go for it. Let's break it down. So we start off exactly the same as a Pretzel Walkaround Swizzle. So it's entry to the pretzel, left up, right up, drop the hand down, start the walk, release with the left, rotate, get the lady all the way around, back to the hand. This is where things change. At some point, guys, you're going to let go with the hand behind again, and we're going to undo the lady's rotation, but keep moving into it. Lady's hand goes over the top. We end up in a basket. So then it's just finishes the basket, and it gives you a nice alternative ending to the Pretzel Walkaround Swizzle. So obviously there's a lot of variability in this, but let's talk about numbers. So it's semicircle back 1, off of the hand, raising the left 2, raising the right 3, into the walk 4, then it could be any number of counts, but we're going to do a couple of counts. Walk for 2, we're then going to drop the right hand, rotate the lady, so all the way around. That's a count. We're going to keep walking for another 2, 1 and 2, and then we're going to keep walking as we rotate the lady to her left to go wrap, fully collected. That takes 2 counts, and then it's just normal basket. Twist out takes 1, twist in takes 1, turn 1, face 1, return and back. But you know all that stuff already. So let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, a Pretzel Walkaround Swizzle Basket. Back, raise the left, the right, and a walk, walk, turn, collect, walk again, round into the basket, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. Don't worry about the timing too much. It will become immediately obvious once you're doing it to a piece of music. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know every time a new video comes out. If you do have any questions or comments, do pop them in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.